Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you're new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be taking a look at the curtain bang hairstyle trend. So this is one that has been floating around for a couple of seasons now, and it is really a great way to just kind of add a bit of flair to the hair, liven it up. So if you're looking for something new to just kind of revamp your old tresses, make them look new again, you might want to try this trend out. So here we have someone that's styling their bangs. She's got this really pretty ginger hair color going here. Love her makeup. And then here we have someone else. She's given us quite a few tips on how to get the aesthetic. Followed by someone who is going to be doing a roller set to achieve her curtain bang style. Very cute. I love the flip under curl she has going here. Then we have someone who is going to be DIYing her bangs. So like I always say, if you've never cut your own hair before, I don't suggest doing that for this trend. Definitely go to a stylist. But if you kind of know what you're doing, you might want to try to tackle your own version at home. So she wants to do some shaggy curtain bangs here. And that's the thing about the curtain bangs is that they do add some volume to the hair, especially if it is done with any of the layered hair trends that are popping out. We're seeing the shaggy cut. We're seeing the butterfly haircut. So there's lots of ways that you can implement this trend. You can also do it with a layered bob. Very nice. Beautiful texture. So here we have the stylist cutting in some bangs. Ooh, oh wow, absolutely gorgeous. Now she got the butterfly haircut here. And then here we have someone that's styling their hair at home. So she has the Velcro roller to add to the hair after using the flat iron. And I feel like that's the easiest way to maintain the look at home. Very pretty. So she wet her bangs first, and then she goes in and does a little bit of a blowout. Now, if you didn't want to use as much heat in order to style the bangs, I would definitely say do the flat iron first and then put the Velcro roller in. That way you won't have to use as much heat. But she did a blowout and then she's using the Velcro roller, letting it sit. And then here we have the trend seen on a wig. I love the way that this looks. It's super cute. I like the blonde hair color. Very nice. So here we have some more styling tips for home. It looks like she's doing a little bit of a trim here. Very nice. How I cut the best bangs. So these are pretty much tips from a stylist, a professional. Very pretty. So let me know what you guys think of this trend in the comments below. I know it's been going around for quite a few seasons, like I said. If this is one that you have tried yourself or you are thinking of trying, let me know your experience, your thoughts. I hope that you enjoyed today's video, and I will, of course, see you in the next one.